miss waking up to the sound of your voice. If I let you down and fell off of your good list, I hope each day you'll find peace and forgiveness. The alarm clock rings, what a lonely noise, and I long for the sound of your voice. So, how I miss waking up to the sound of your voice. Take it from me, there's not much to see in this voice. The saying goes, there will be other dances. Don't give up! This little song is about second chances, so say the word.